Hi everyone, and today's video I'm sharing with you all a very easy and flavorful seasoned wedges recipe. You can even use fries if you wanted to. So let's jump straight into the recipe. Let me show you how easy this one is to put together. To start this, I already have my potato cut up into wedges, and as I said in the beginning, you can also use fries. I'm drizzling on some extra virgin olive oil, or you can use whatever oil you would like. And now I'm adding on my fries and wedges seasoning. This contains salt, so I'm not adding any additional salt. You want to take your seasoning and sprinkle it over your potatoes. And next you're going to go in and start massaging that seasoning into the potatoes. This seasoning contains everything, so it makes life really easy. So once you finish mixing that in, you're going to spread out the potatoes evenly on your tray or your sheet pan so that it browns evenly and it's nice and brown and crisp. And if you wanted to gild the lily and sprinkle some cheese on at this point, or Parmesan, you can. It goes into my oven to bake 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 30 minutes until it's golden brown and crisp. When they come out of the oven, all you have to do is garnish with some chopped parsley, and then it's ready to be served. How perfectly simple was this, guys? It goes great with grilled meats, barbecue, whatever you would like. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for joining me today, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.